Each government buyer has their own unique purchasing requirements. We don't offer a one-size-fits-all approach. Instead, we've set up the NBF experience to cater to your needs and preferences so we can best serve you. As a partner to our government customers, NBF reps work to provide a consultative service, ask the appropriate questions to make sure that we're keeping our government customers in line with their purchasing requirements. Are contracts a factor in the purchase? Does an item need to be on contract? Is country of origin a factor in the purchase? Purchasing requirements vary greatly from some of our government customers. So asking the appropriate questions helps our sales reps to personalize the process for our government buyers. When you call us, you'll be connected to a furniture expert. NBF has a network of more than 100 sales professionals ready to help. Our expansive product offering accommodates varying budgets, and NBF holds several cooperative purchasing agreements and a GSA contract to provide contract options to our government buyers. Be mindful of deadlines. When do you need to receive your furniture? When do you need to place your order? Secondly, know your contract requirements. And of course, know your budget. In preparing for your next purchase, get direction from your local purchasing authority. When's your fiscal year end, and how might it impact the buying process? Do deadlines dictate when the purchase order needs to be issued, or when the merchandise needs to be received? When credit cards are charged, or when funding is obligated? Our team can help guide you through the process. If you're looking for help on a specific project, start with the government sales team at NBF.